All right, this is my newest kitchen fan. This is a 44-inch Hunter Coastal Breeze in antique brass. Not sure what kind of wood this is, but it's very nice. Goes with the cabinets quite nicely. The light kit is original. I put the glass on. Bevel glass for the win. Can't beat it. I know some people don't like it, but I really do. There's the light kit on it. And it came with these fobs on it too, which is kind of cool. Got this at Habitat for 10 bucks. I cleaned it up and it did clean up pretty well, but there is still some pitting in the brass up here. But that's why I installed it facing this way so people won't see it. So we'll go ahead and start it up on aesthetic low speed here. I got it on a remote, so just kind of check it out here. You know what, that's not a very good angle. Why don't we do this? Runs very quietly. The bearings are nice and smooth on it. My only beef with it is that the blades are pretty warped. If you use it on lower speeds, it's not that bad, but if you want to use it on medium or high, it does shake pretty badly. And that's pretty much your aesthetic low speed, which is really nice. I mean, it's nice and slow. And we'll bump it up to factory low here. Excuse that noise in the background. It's my wash machine. I'm doing some laundry right now. So there's factory low, and again, you know, it's still pretty slow for, you know, a 44-inch fan, which is nice. Here's medium. There isn't that much of a difference between medium and high. And then here's high. And high puts out some good air. But you know, like I said, because of these blades being so warped, it does shake a little bit. And we'll go ahead and turn her off here. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole video there, folks. Thanks for watching.